Okay, good morning students. I am N. Srinivasul Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Kalvakurti. Okay, today is discuss about differential equations of first order and first degree. Differential equation of first order and first degree question. Learning objectives. Equations in which variable are separable, homogeneous differential equations, differential equation reducible to homogeneous form, linear differential equations, differential equation reducible to linear form, exact differential equation, next to integrating form factors, change in variables, total differential equations, simultaneous total differential equations, equation form of the form dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Okay, today is discuss about equation in which variable are separable method. Okay, find the general solution of find the general solution of under root of 1 minus x square into dy plus under root of 1 minus y square into dx equal to 0. Okay, the problem is solved. Solution: given differential equation under root of 1 minus x square into dy plus under root of 1 minus y square into dx equal to 0, put equation 1. We know this method is using variable separable method. Under root of 1 minus x square into dy equal to minus into under root of 1 minus y square dx. Okay students. Okay students, under root of 1 minus x square dy equal to minus under root of 1 minus y square dx is implies dy by under root of 1 minus y square equal to minus dx by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, therefore dx by under root of 1 minus x square plus dy by under root of 1 minus y square equal to 0. Here differentiation is there. I will take integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of dx by under root of 1 minus x square plus integrating of dy by under root of 1 minus y square equal to integrating of 0. Therefore, sin inverse x. Since under root of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square mean sin inverse x plus under root of dy by under root of dy by 1 by under root of 1 minus y square mean sin inverse y equal to integrating of 0 is equal to c. Therefore, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c is the general solution of the given differential equation. Given differential equation. Next, another problem. Find the general solution of dy by dx equal to 2y by x. Given differential equation is dy by dx equal to 2y by x. Put equation 1. dy, you know this method is using of variable separable method. Okay, dy by y equal to dx by 2 into dx by x. Here differentiation is there, both side taking integrating, both side taking integrating. Integrating of dy by y equal to 2 into integrating of dx by x is implies integrating of dy by y mean log y equal to 2 into integrating of dx by x mean log x plus log c constant. Okay, log y equal to, you know, one formula is there, m into log a power m, same as log x square plus log c. Okay, another problem, another formula you use log a plus log b, log ab, same as you write log x square plus log c mean log c x square. Therefore, log y equal to log c x square. Log c x square, since log a plus log b equal to log ab. Therefore, both side cancellation logarithm. Both side cancellation logarithm. Therefore, y equal to cx square. Y equal to cx square. Therefore, y equal to cx square is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Okay, next to another problem. These all problems are very important and short questions. Okay, solve the differential equation e power x plus 1 into y dy plus y plus 1 into dx equal to 0. This problem is very important and easy. We do carefully. Okay, solution. Given differential equation is e power x plus 1 into y dy plus y plus 1 into dx equal to 0. Okay, this continuous step is e power x plus 1 into y dy equal to minus y plus 1 into dx is implies y by y plus 1 to dy equal to minus dx by e power x plus 1. Here variable separable method using. Okay, and here differentiation is there both side. We will take integrating on both sides. Okay, integrating of y by y plus 1 dy equal to integrating of minus dx by e power x plus 1. E power x plus 1. Okay, next continuous step is multiplying numerator and denominator with e power minus x. Okay, integrating of y plus 1 minus 1 by y plus 1 dy equal to integrating of e power minus x by e power minus x into e power x plus 1 into dx. Okay, here a plus b by k, a by k, b by k, same as y plus 1 by y plus 1 into dy minus integrating of 1 by y plus 1 dy equal to LHS is what RHS integrating of minus e power minus x by here e power minus x into e power x mean 1 and plus e power minus x into 1 e power minus x into dx. Okay, here y plus 1 get cancelled. Okay, remaining is 1 dy, integrating of 1 dy minus integrating of dy by y plus 1 equal to minus integrating of e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x dx. Okay, integrating of y dy mean integrating of dy mean y minus integrating of dy by y plus 1 mean log of y plus 1 equal to, here we know one formula is there, integrating of f dash of x by integrating of f dash of x by f of x mean log of f of x. Here f of x mean 1 plus e power minus x. 1 plus e power minus x. 1 plus e power minus x is differentiation is what? 0 minus e power minus x. Okay, therefore minus e power minus x is f dash of x. Here f of x mean 1 plus e power minus x and f dash of x mean minus e power minus x. Okay, therefore log of 1 plus e power minus x plus log c plus log c. Okay, we know continuous step is y minus log of y plus 1 equal to log of log of log a plus log b mean log ab, same as you write log 1 plus e power minus x into c. Okay, here y equal to log of y plus 1 plus log of 1 plus e power minus x into c. Here log a plus log b, log a b same as you write y equal to log of c into log of c into y plus 1 into 1 plus e power minus x. Okay, therefore e power y logarithm delete. Okay, you know logarithm formula, e power y equal to y plus 1 into 1 plus e power minus x into c is the required solution for the given differential equation. Is the required solution of given differential equation. Okay, this problem also over. Next another problem. Okay, solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Okay, once again I will tell, solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to e power x by x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Okay, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Put equation 1. Okay, next we do simplification. Dy by dx equal to e power, you know one formula there, a power m minus n mean a power m by a power n same as e power x by e power y plus x square into e power minus y mean 1 by e power y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to e power x by e power y plus x square by e power y. You know e power y LCM you take right side. Okay, dy by dx equal to e power x plus x square by e power y. Okay, here variable separable method. We are using variable separable method. Here y terms one side you write and x term also one time. Okay, one side. Okay, e power y dy equal to e power y dy equal to e power x plus x square into dx. Okay, integrating on both sides. Integrating of e power y dy equal to integrating of e power x plus x square into dx. Okay, therefore integrating of e power y dy mean e power y equal to integrating of e power x plus dx plus integrating of x square dx. Okay, therefore e power y equal to integrating of e power x mean e power x plus integrating of x square mean x cube by 3 plus c. Therefore e power y equal to e power y equal to e power x plus x cube by 3 plus c is the required solution. Is the required solution of given differential equation. Okay students, next we discuss another problem. Solve the differential equation dy by dx minus y tan x equal to e power x secant x. Dy by dx minus y tan x equal to e power x secant x. Okay, solution. The given differential equation is dy by dx minus y into tan x equal to e power x secant x. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form of this problem is linear differential equation. Okay, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Comparing equation, here put to equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get p equal to minus tan x, and put to equation another equation 3, and q equal to e power x secant x, equation 4. First, we find integrating factor. We know integrating factor if equal to e power integrating of p dx. This formula is very very important, and we remember. Okay, integrating factor if equal to e power integrating of p dx. Okay, our third equation is p mean minus tan x. Okay, I will write in this formula. Okay, if equal to e power integrating of minus tan x dx. Okay, next continue step, if equal to e power minus integrating of tan x dx. Okay, e power minus log of cos x plus c. Integrating of tan x mean minus log of cos x. Okay, therefore if equal to e power minus into minus plus log of cos x. E power logarithm mean 1 equal to 1. 1 into log cos x mean cos x. Therefore, we get cos x. We get cos x equal to if equal to cos x. Put equation 5th. Okay. Therefore, the general solution of given differential equation is formula y into if equal to integrating of q into if into dx plus c. This formula is very very important. This formula using all problems same as okay, the very very important, and very don't forget. Okay, y into if equal to integrating of q into if dx plus c. Okay, we know if mean integrating factor, we find cos x. Okay, y into cos x equal to integrating of q, we know q mean fourth equation e power x into secant x if into cos x dx plus c. Okay, here cos x mean secant x mean 1 by cos x. Here cos x get cancelled. Therefore, y into cos x equal to integrating of e power x dx plus c. Okay, integrating of e power x mean e power x. Therefore, y cos x equal to e power x plus c. Y cos x equal to e power x plus c. Therefore, y cos x equal to e power x plus c is the required solution for the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is linear differential equation. Okay, this problem is very very important, and this method also important, short questions. Okay, this problem is over. Next to another problem. Okay, solve the differential equation dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to 2y by x equal to 2x square. Okay, this problem is also important problem. Okay, solution. The given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to 2x square. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form is what? Comparing dy by dx plus py equal to q. Put equation 2. Okay, comparing above equation 1 and 2, we get and p equal to 2 by x. P equal to 2 by x. Put equation 3, and q equal to 2x square. Put equation 4. Okay, first we find integrating factor of given differential equation. Okay, formula is if equal to e power integrating of p dx. If equal to e power integrating of p dx. Okay, if equal to e power integrating of p mean third equation 2 by x, 2 by x, 2 by x dx. Okay, if equal to e power integrating up 2 into integrating up dx by x. If equal to e power 2 into dx by x mean integrating up dx by x mean log x. Okay, 2 log x. We know one formula is there, m into log a power m. Okay, same as if equal to e power log x square, log x square. Therefore, we know e power log mean 1. Therefore, if equal to 1 into x square. Therefore, integrating factor is if equal to, that is if equal to x square. Put equation 5th. Okay, the general solution is formula. The general solution is formula y into if equal to integrating of q into if dx plus c. Y into if equal to integrating of q into if dx plus c. Therefore, y into if mean fifth equation x square, okay, equal to integrating of q mean 2x square into x square, if mean x square into dx plus c. Therefore, x square y equal to 2 into integrating of x square into x square x power 4 dx plus c. Y square x square y equal to 2 into x power 4 integrating of x power 4 mean x power 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, therefore x square y equal to 2x power 5 by 5 plus c is the required differential solution of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is also over. Okay, students, next we discuss about another problem. Solve the differential equation dy by dx minus y equal to minus 2 into e power minus x. dy by dx minus y equal to minus 2 into e power minus x. Okay, solution. The given differential equation is dy by dx minus y equal to minus e power minus x. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form what dy by dx plus py equal to q, linear differential equation of y. Okay, put equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get p equal to minus 1 here and q equal to minus 2 into e power minus x. Okay, first we find integrating factor of given differential equation. Okay, if equal to e power integrating of p dx. Okay, our formula. Okay, is substituting p value in this formula. Okay, if equal to e power integrating of minus 1 into dx. Okay, if equal to e power integrating of minus, okay, dx, integrating of dx. Okay, integrating of dx mean x. Therefore, integrating factor if equal to e power minus x. Put equation 5th. The general solution is y into if equal to integrating of q into if into dx plus c. Okay, this formula is very very important. Okay, we listen, you must okay, we write this formula. Y into, we get if equal to what, e power minus x equal to integrating of minus 2 into e power minus x into e power minus x dx plus c. Okay, y into e power minus x equal to minus 2 into integrating of e power minus 2x dx plus c. Therefore, y into e power minus x equal to minus 2 into e power minus 2x, integrating is mean e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus c. Here minus 2 get cancelled. Okay, y into e power minus x equal to e power minus 2x plus c. You know, here e power minus x mean 1 by e power x. Okay, I will write same. Y in y by e power x equal to e power minus 2x plus c. E power minus 2x plus c. Okay, y equal to e power minus 2x into e power x plus c into e power x. Okay, therefore y equal to e power minus x plus c into e power x, okay, is the required solution for the given differential equation. Okay, same as we do linear differential equation, same this type of problems. So all we do homework problems also we do. Okay, this problem, this type of problems is over. Okay, students, we discuss another problem, change in variable. Okay, solve secant square y into dy by dx plus 2x tan y equal to x cube. Okay, another problem, given differential equation solution, secant square y dy by dx plus 2x tan y equal to x cube. Put equation 1. Okay, let tan y equal to v. I will take tan y equal to v and differentiate on both side. Okay, with respect to x we get secant square y, tan y mean secant square y again differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to dv by dx, dv by dx. Okay, secant square by dy by dx equal to v mean dv by dx. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1 we get dv by dx plus 2v into x equal to x cube. Equation 2, here equation 2 is a linear differential equation of the form, is the linear differential equation of the form dv by dx plus p y equal to q of x, q of x. Comparing on about two equations we get p mean 2x, here p mean 2x and q mean x cube, q of x mean x cube. Okay, I will find high integrating factor. We know one formula is there, previous class we discussed. Okay, e power integrating p dx mean e power integrating of p mean 2x dx equal to e power integrating of 2 mean common. Okay, and integrating of x dx mean x square by 2, 2 get cancelled. Therefore, e power x square, that e power. Okay, the general solution is integrating factor is e power x square. Okay, the general solution is the linear differential is with respect to y. Okay, v into e power x if equal to integrating of q into if dx plus c. Therefore, v into e power x square equal to if mean e power x square mean, okay, integrating of q x cube into e power x square dx plus c. Okay, let x square equal to t, x square equal to t and differentiate on both side. 2x dx equal to dt, dx dx 2x dx equal to dt. Therefore, v into e power x square equal to integrating of t into e power t into 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 dt plus c. Therefore, v into e power x square equal to integrating of t into e power t 1 by 2 dt plus c. This implies v into e power x cube x square equal to 1 by 2 into e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Okay, v into e power x square equal to 1 by 2 t mean x square minus 1 into e power t mean x square plus c. Therefore, v equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square. Therefore, v mean tan y, v mean tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus. Okay. Therefore, tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square is the required solution of the given differential equation. This problem is over. Okay, we discuss about another problem. Solve x dx plus y dy equal to a square into x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Okay, the given differential equation is x dx plus y dy equal to a square into x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Put to equation 1. Put equation 1. Okay, this problem is okay, essay question type, very important. Okay, easy. Put I will take x equal to r cos theta. Put x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Y equal to r sin theta. Okay, our therefore x square plus y square equal to x mean I will take r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay, consider x square plus y square equal to x mean r cos theta whole square mean r square cos square theta plus y square y mean r sin theta, y square mean r square sin square theta. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, I will take common r square. Okay, r square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Differentiate equation 2 and 3 with respect to r and theta. Okay, dx by dr equal to cos theta. Dx by d theta equal to minus r sin theta. Okay, dy by dr mean sin theta. dy by d theta equal to r cos theta. Okay, substituting the corresponding values in equation 1. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, r cos theta into cos theta dr plus r sin theta into sin theta into dr equal to okay a square into r cos theta into r cos theta d theta minus r sin theta into minus r sin theta d theta by r square by r square. Therefore, r cos square theta dr plus r sin square theta dr equal to a square into r square cos square theta r square cos square theta d theta plus r square sin square theta d theta by r square. Okay, here r dr I will take common, r dr into sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to a square r square d theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here a square r square d theta I will take common, a square r square d theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 na? Okay, same LHS and RHS, same terms. Okay, therefore r dr into 1 equal to a square r square d theta into 1 by r square. Therefore, r dr equal to here r and here left side r, right side r square, here up to r square by r square mean cancellation. Therefore, r dr equal to a square d theta, a square d theta. Okay, here same terms is there. Okay, here differentiate is there, differentiate is there. Integrating of r dr equal to, integrating on both sides we take, okay, we get integrating of r dr equal to integrating of a square d theta, integrating of a square d theta. Therefore, integrating of r dr equal to a square into integrating of d theta. Okay, integrating of r dr mean r square by 2 equal to okay a square into integrating of d theta mean theta. Okay, therefore a square theta plus c, integrating of d theta mean theta. Okay, therefore r square by 2 equal to a square d theta, a square theta plus c. Simplification, here 2 is we take LCM. Okay, r square equal to 2a square theta plus 2 into c, 2c, 2 into c, 2c. Okay, next to, okay, we continue step. Since above equation we get x square plus y square is equal to r square na. Here r square is there, here r square is there. I will write in the place of r square, x square plus y square is equal to r square na. We find, okay, here r square is there. I will write terms of x terms, x y terms. Okay, x square plus y square equal to 2a square theta plus 2c. Here also simplifications, we know here, you know, simplification we take here theta mean tan inverse of y by x, theta mean tan inverse of y by x. Simplification is very very important and easy. Okay, we forget, don't forget. Okay, remember. Okay, therefore x square plus y square equal to x square plus y square equal to 2a square tan inverse of y by x plus 2c plus 2c. Okay, x square plus y square equal to 2a square tan inverse of y by x plus 2c plus 2c is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay, all problems same this type. Okay, we, we do very important and careful. Same, this chapter is differential equations of first order and first degree. Okay, thanks.